You've spent years in classrooms, but the future isn't in textbooks, it's in technology. Are you ready to transition from learning theory to mastering code? Why tech? The tech industry is booming. AI, cybersecurity, and software development are creating thousands of high-paying jobs. Adaptability is the key to thriving here. Self-discovery. Start by asking yourself, what excites me? Love solving problems? Try coding. Enjoy visuals? Explore UX, UI design. Find where your passion meets tech. Research your path. Research roles like full-stack developer, data scientist, or DevOps engineer. Each path offers unique challenges and rewards. Choose one that aligns with your goals. Learn the essentials, master essential skills like Python, JavaScript, or SQL. Platforms like Coursera, edX, Udemy, and Free Code Camp make learning accessible and fun. Network like a pro. Don't go it alone. Network with professionals on LinkedIn, join tech communities, and attend virtual events. Connections can open doors you didn't even know existed. Build your portfolio. Showcase your skills through projects. Build apps. Contribute to open source, and share your work on GitHub. A strong portfolio proves you're job ready. Ace the interview. Prepare for interviews by practicing coding challenges and behavioral questions. Highlight teamwork, problem solving, and your ability to learn quickly. Thrive in tech. Once hired, embrace lifelong learning. Tech evolves fast, and staying curious will keep you ahead. Build a career that's fulfilling and future-proof. Your future starts now. The journey from classroom to code isn't just about changing careers, it's about transforming your life. Thanks for watching.